remember the other day, we went up to Jay's and homeboy was, Jay had a hole in his tire.
Never flats my cheeks.
Because he has puncture-proof tires, and what he was saying and how he described popped it was, you know, he definitely should not have popped his tire.
I told you I was coming off the bridge, and all I did was went to turn, and the whole tire just went out from under me. I look at the tires flat.
So I got a present for him in this bag right here. I don't know if you can see the bag, but I got a present in the bag for him. It's a set of rims and a set of tires that me and him have been waiting for.
So you want to try some street slicks?
Nope, we're going street slicks now.
Yeah, let's get Jay his wheels back. The bag right here, let's get into this. Hey.
We had a little incident. I had a million trim ants in here.
Here you go.
I want to see what this looks like. Ooh, they got the gel insert too. Oh my God. Tell me that is not going to be insane. Holy sh... Oh shit. Oh, I like those. Black and white. I mean, how are we going to do this?
We got the nozzles in though, which was good. No, that's good. But we're probably just gonna go somewhere to have them put them on. That's...
1 week later.
No screw today, it's like 100 degrees out. Plus we're trying to get some slicks on. I'm gonna try changing our tires. We got something fun in here. And we got something fun right here. We're gonna fix this up and then it's probably gonna be in London.
Please wear your safety goggles, kids. All right.
Oh my God. All right, so we're back. And it took us forever to really get these on. Honestly, once we got the gist of it, it didn't take us that long. This right here is way different than all the other ones. And then this little bump right here, it's like a half shy or a quarter shy of this one. So this one lines up with this one, and then that's how you just mount your tires to your motors. We did it. We got the slicks on the whips. Well, not on the whips, just on Jay's whip. They be looking devious with these.
If you're thinking about doing it at home now, it's a workout.
If you have the money, get it done by somebody if they're in the area. I think it's like 20-30 bucks a tire. We got mine right here, but I gotta put them on a scooter. I'll probably just cut to that right now.
Pleased with the tires? Hell yeah. I'll never go back to the nubs again.
He sent them out in 3 days. It took us 3 days to get the tires, and he knew we were on a rush, and we asked him for it to be a little bit faster. So he said, say less, I'll send it from my American warehouse. And it showed up at the doorstep 3 days later. So if you're looking for some slicks, this guy's the guy.
This dude seems legit. He's cool as I got rid of the old display, that new display, because it's an absolute joke. Once I replace my throttle and get a new one, I'm going to leave it. That's it.
By the way, shout out to the 4 people that bought something on Amazon through our affiliate link.
Yes.
We got $2.75 towards J Tamra.
You win.
So here we go. We rich, baby.
I mean, straight out, look at, I put the new display on, and I'm openly telling you now, it's junk. So it's gone. Until they come out with something that is exactly made for this, I'm going to keep at that, but I wouldn't boast. We only use what we trust, so if we use it, you can trust it.
Honestly, I'm just so happy the way that this has turned out. From the new grips from Hella Grip. Yo, shout out to Hella Grip. You guys are the real ones. To the light mount. It's just a bracket for a shelf, but still, it does the trick. And then I got some vinyl wrap on the rims, shot guards, deck. It's a new TailLight. And I think this thing looks sick. Let me know below if you like the TailLight or not. But until then, y'all be easy, y'all stay easy, y'all do you, and peace.
Hot mess, I don't even care. Got my hit.
Hey! Chun-nun-nun, chun-nun-nun.